raining like crazy outside right now. So today's just gonna be a day of us hanging out and getting caught up on all our notes.
If we use a hypotonic solution, then actually some of the dialyzing fluid will actually...
Okay, so in my last video, I was showing you guys how I convert my notes from the PowerPoints to the Word document and then kind of reformat it and add in any like little diagrams or pictures. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like actually after I've added in my textbook and lecture notes, because the last time I showed it, it didn't have that information. And I just wanted to show you guys that like your notes really don't have to look perfect. I know a lot of people on YouTube and Pinterest and Instagram have these like amazing perfect looking notes, but that's just like, and I'm so jealous of that, but it's just not realistic for me, and I'm sure for some other people as well. If I were to take the time to do that, I would just like, I would never get anything done because I'm such a perfectionist. I would want everything so perfect. So anyway, so I really can't focus on that, and I just have to kind of get the information down how, like in my own words, how I'll remember it. So here is what I've done. So I printed this out, and then I went through the textbook and added these notes from the textbook, just kind of like supplementing the PowerPoint notes. And then during the actual lecture or like some videos that I watched, I added in these other little sticky notes here. So it doesn't look great, but that's just what works for me.
So semi-permeable membrane, like the cell membrane, filters based on both size and charge. So if a molecule is small and uncharged, first of all, can you give me an example of a molecule that is small and does not have a charge? Water, yes, water. Will that pass through the cell membrane? Yes or no? What should I write
Okay, I just wanted to show you guys, I got a couple of things from the Zara sale that was going on, so it's not really that exciting, but my Mark loves these white Zara shirts, so I got him another one of those. Oh, sorry, we got two of those actually. They're just like the long fit men's shirts, and he likes wearing these like under his dress shirts and things like that. So I got that. I got this cute little shirt. So they only had a large left in this, but I thought it could actually be kind of cute, like looser with jeans or whatever. So I'll try that. And then I just got this little sweatshirt. So just a little haul. Guys, okay, I just wanted to share this because I think it's kind of funny. We obviously had that snowstorm that I showed yesterday, and then today I really want to walk to Starbucks and then maybe around the block depending on how long I can last. So I decided to bundle up. So I found these tights that have fleece on the inside, So I put those over top of my leggings. I have a thermal top on. I might throw a sweater on as well. Fleece lined socks, hat, gloves, and my parka. So I'm really hoping that that will be warm enough, but I'm kind of a wimp with the cold, so we will see. But yeah, I just think it's funny how we have to bundle up so much just to go for a walk. Okay, so I'm just all bundled up here, ready to go. See if I can get a couple clips maybe on my walk, but also the little cutie over here. Having his nap. Okay, and then the rest of the plan for the day is to finish my pharmacology textbook notes, and I have a psychology lecture. So I already cleaned the bathroom this morning, did some stuff around the house, but it's basically just school stuff for the rest of the day. Okay, so for lunch I just quickly made this. I had leftover quinoa, and then that's soy chicken and mixed vegetables, and then I put a spicy peanut sauce on top. Okay, I'm going to do my workout now. Finally, I've been procrastinating all day basically, so I just really need to get it done. That's kind of why I'm filming this clip, to hold myself accountable. So now I have to do it. I'm just gonna go wash my face quickly first, throw my hair up. I really don't feel like doing this right now, but I know I'll feel better after. Hi guys. Okay, I'm just setting up a little study spot. I'm downstairs now. I get tired of being in the office after being in there all day, so I just have a couple things left on my list to do. I just have to do my psychology stuff and finish my pharmacology notes for tomorrow's class. I just have to add in a couple last little items. Hi Earl. So I don't think that I've shown you guys our wall of comic books here. We have a bunch more, but those are just the ones that we kind of have featured down here. Hi guys, so this is what the Zara sweatshirt looks like. It's super comfortable and I love the color of it, and right now I'm just finishing off my physiology notes for the week. So okay you guys, I just found the most amazing thing. I showed you guys my notes yesterday where I put sticky notes over top of my printed notes and then just add in additional information, but it's obviously kind of annoying because you can't see what's underneath when you do that. So these are transparent sticky notes, so you'll be able to kind of see the information underneath, and you can also use them to tab stuff. I don't know, I think these are going to be amazing for my notes, so I'm about to order them. guys. Okay, so I finished my test that I had to get done that I was talking about. So that's all done. I think I'm just going to relax for the rest of the evening. No more schoolwork for today. This actually might be the last clip of this vlog. I might just edit it tonight just to get that done, and then I'll start my new vlog this weekend. So if it is, then thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next vlog.